So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a kitchen faucet here. This is Weiwei, straight out of Amazon. 16,000, over 16,000 plus 5-star rated faucet. We've installed this in our own home. Works great. Stainless steel finish, high arc, pull down sprayer. You got a little bit of conflict down below with the weight. You got your plumbing down here, hot and cold water lines you can see back there. Right where the weight sits, as you go up, it wants to hit that. So you'll feel it bump a little bit. Nothing we can do about that. We can certainly raise the weight up to there, but then you wouldn't be able to pull your faucet out very far at all. So just remember that as you go to pull this out, you're going to hear it hit right there. It will pull through, and then it'll go back up. But anyways, brand new faucet. We did replace the air gap. Not the cover. We don't have a stainless steel cover. This is the Euro original one. This one came with the air gap. That's the air gap we installed. So brand new. And then, of course, the 7/8 hose right here. That's brand new, coming down from the new air gap. That's your existing dishwasher drain hose, the white corrugated line that goes up. So that's yours. Additionally, we gave you a new telescoping disposal kit. We cut your old plastic out. You said you're having some trouble with drainage, so we took out the trap, gave you a new trap. We gave you a new kit over to the disposal. So, and then, of course, we gave you a new disposal. This is Badger 1, 1/3 horsepower. And so that's brand new. The flange is new as well up here. So that guy, that's brand new. This is yours. That's not part of our quote to you, was replacing that. So just keep an eye on that. But so brand new disposal, brand new discharge hose, brand new drain over to brand new trap. So you're almost all the way complete as far as renovation up in here. The only thing that would be left is if you have any issues moving forward, you know, with these shutoff valves, the hot or the cold, those can be replaced. This basket strainer, if you start having trouble with that, that can be replaced. But you're pretty well in good shape right now. So go ahead and use it and see what you think about it. I know you'd said you're having trouble with your dishwasher not draining. We sent you a link to our appliance repair guy. He could probably resolve that for you. And if you can't, you want to put a new dishwasher in, he can certainly install that for you. So anyways, we run lots of water down here. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.